You've probably noticed how everyone keeps saying the same things when it comes to making money online. Build a personal brand, sell a course, become a coach. But let's be honest. Most people don't want to become influencers. What they really want is to make more money with something real, practical, and that actually works. If that's you, then you've just found the perfect video. I did some serious digging and discovered hidden, low-key opportunities that are incredibly profitable. I found 9 machines that are changing the lives of everyday people, turning simple ideas into solid income streams, all from home and on your own terms. Imagine having a machine that removes rust like magic, with no mess, no chemicals, and still protects the original metal. That's just one of the machines I'm about to show you. And the best part? You can buy all of them online right now. In this video, you'll find out what each machine does, how much it costs, how it works, and most importantly, how to actually make money with it. Stick with me until the end, because the last machine on this list is by far the most powerful. And it might be the one that completely transforms your finances. Let's start with something that looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. A machine that uses laser beams to burn off rust, paint, grease, and corrosion from metal surfaces in seconds, and it doesn't damage the original material. People are using this tool to launch mobile rust cleaning businesses. They're servicing cars, gates, machinery, tools, and charging between $100 to $500 per job. And because it's a specialized, hard-to-find service, demand just keeps growing. Want an extra income stream? Many are renting this machine out for up to $500 a day to contractors, painters, and construction teams. But there's more. Creators are filming these laser cleans and posting the satisfying results on YouTube and TikTok, generating revenue and attracting clients with this content. It's visual, impressive, and it works as free advertising. Drop a money in the comments if you want to turn machines into real profit. And of course, subscribe to the channel right now so you don't miss any of these genius ideas. This next machine looks simple, but it's blowing up in events, gift shops, and social media. It's a balloon stuffing machine that lets you insert gifts into large, clear balloons. You can add teddy bears, candy, baby clothes, gift cards, cash, anything that fits. Here's how it works. You place the balloon inside the chamber, the machine inflates and holds it open so you can safely insert the items. Then you seal it, decorate it, and you've got a customized gift that gets people's attention instantly. Now think about how many occasions need a creative gift. Baby showers, birthdays, Valentine's Day, Christmas, graduations, weddings, all of them are chances to sell. People are making $25 to $100 per balloon, depending on what's inside and how it's decorated. And the cost to make them is way lower than the price they sell for. You can start from home, sell on social media, partner with florists, or even offer bulk deals for event planners. This machine sells for around $400. And if you just serve a few customers per week, you'll make that money back fast. Some people are already making $2,000 to $4,000 per month selling these custom balloons part-time, and they steal the spotlight at any event, which naturally brings you more clients through word of mouth. If you believe creativity can be turned into cash, comment money below, and be sure to subscribe to the channel because the next machines only get better. Now we're stepping into something sweet. Literally. You know those cakes or cookies with photos or cartoon characters printed directly on the frosting? They're made with an edible ink printer. This machine works like a regular printer, but instead of using paper and regular ink, it prints edible images on frosting sheets or directly on cookies and cakes. You upload your design, place the treat, hit print, and in seconds you've got a professional-looking dessert with high value. And the opportunities? Endless. Birthdays, weddings, baby showers, holidays, corporate parties. Everyone loves a personalized treat. Businesses are ordering cupcakes with logos for company events. Schools are ordering themed cookies. Parents love them for gender reveals. I've seen people build 6-figure businesses just from this machine alone. You can also create themed gift sets or sell online by order. This printer is more expensive, between $2,500 and $6,000, but shops can recover that in just a few months by focusing on the right niche. One store made over $37,000 in a single month selling custom Christmas cookies on Etsy. No big marketing strategy, just high-quality products people wanted. If this sounds like a sweet deal, type money in the comments. And subscribe now because what's next has even more income potential. If you like handmade things but don't have the time or skills to knit, this next machine is your dream come true. It's called the Addy Express, and it lets you knit beanies, scarves, sweaters, and more. No experience required. You just choose the yarn, turn the crank, and your product is ready. Simple as that. And you'd be amazed how much money people are making just selling custom-made beanies online. Look on Amazon or Etsy. They're everywhere. Now think about this. The machine costs a little over $100 and can easily pay for itself after just a few sales. If you create stylish pieces, personalized items, or target specific niches like school teams, baby wear, or fashion trends, your products will sell fast. Add tags with names, slogans, or school colors and your perceived value goes way up. Plus, beanies are hot items in the winter. People buy them in bulk for gifts or events. You can partner with physical stores, take custom orders, or even teach others how to use the machine for a fee. This is a product with great visual appeal, perfect for showing off on social media. And your profit margins can be very attractive. On top of that, it's fun to use and great for anyone wanting a home-based business with flexibility. If you like the idea of making money doing something creative, comment money below. And don't forget to subscribe, because the next machine has one of the biggest profit potentials yet. Now we're talking about one of the most impressive and flexible tools on this list, the Glowforge Aura. If you're artistic or crafty, this machine can do more than just make you happy. It can earn you serious income. It lets you cut, engrave, or score designs into wood, acrylic, leather, paper, and even food. Just upload your design, place the material in the machine, press a button, and a high-precision laser does the rest. People are turning this into real businesses. I've seen creators selling engraved cutting boards, personalized ornaments, bookmarks, plant markers, wall art, jewelry, cake toppers, and wedding signs. One guy made $30,000 just selling custom name monograms, charging $30 each and selling over 1,000. Another seller made $37,000 in 1 month on Etsy selling handcrafted advent calendars. The key is picking a niche, understanding your customer, and offering something with emotional and visual value. You can sell these for any occasion: Mother's Day, Easter, weddings, graduation, Christmas, and more. And you don't need a store or a big team. It's easy to run from home, and even your kids could help you operate it. The Glowforge Aura costs between $2,200 and $5,000. But as you've seen, it can easily pay for itself in just a few months if used well. If this inspired you, comment money below. And make sure to subscribe to the channel, because in the next videos, I'll show even more ways to turn creativity and technology into income. Thanks for watching until now. And if you want me to turn the rest of the machines into another full video, just let me know.